I'm back. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Welcome to the live stream. We're going to be analyzing Tesla stock in this live stream, obviously. I'm just going to quickly check if everything is fine at the moment. I'll be checking the live stream on my phone right now. I'll be checking the live chat and see if the quality is alright. So just give me a second. This won't take long. Mic is working. Perfect. All right. So, we are ready. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'm just setting everything up. That's why I put the music in the beginning. Usually when I am setting things up, I'm still not going live. But now I will set up some music while I am setting my own things up. So yeah. Oh, another £2 donation from Pell. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate this. It's really cool. I'll be sharing the link in the Discord right now. So just Tesla live right now. Okay, cool. So, guys, we're about to start. Make sure you hit the thumbs up so everybody on the channel, on this YouTube channel, can see this video. If you guys hit the thumbs up, this video will be recommended more often, so I would really appreciate that. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, obviously hit that subscribe button like you'd never hit a button in your life. But yeah, welcome Julia and Ali and Jackus and Darius, Keenan, River, Antonio, Tony. Welcome to the live stream. Same for you, boss. Yes, I am from the Netherlands. That's correct. We're about to start with this analysis right away. So, for anybody that wants to see NIO, I am also going to be doing NIO after the Tesla analysis. So, we'll do both of them in one live stream. Let's rock and roll, right? So, I checked every hour, and I mean, it does seem like we're about to see a major correction on Tesla. Like, either we see a major correction, or the MACD is going to bounce even further to the upside, which I don't think is going to happen. So I would say we're going to correct a bit now. And this correction could potentially take us to 485. I would say approximately. I mean, just go back. We had a support at the 484, but we breached it the other time. So I would say 470 or 485 would be the next target to the downside. Obviously, this is going to be a brief correction. I don't think it's going to take a very long time for us to correct. And after the correction, we're probably going to see ourselves going up. If we take a look at the daily, we're still bullish on the daily, so we're not going anywhere. We're still going to be going upwards. I would say, for now, I would say this is definitely looking incredibly bullish. I do see the 4 hours is well, I would say there's some room left to the upside, but I think it's more likely that we're going to go down than upwards. Obviously, it's going to be a brief correction on the 4 hours, just a tiny one. And the 2 hours, same story. I mean, we're topping out here, so I would say a correction would be highly likely. Even on the 1 hour, like every time frame is just indicating correction. So, yeah, we went up approximately, I would say, a good $93 per share from the bottom, right? It was around 408. That's insane. It's absolutely insane, guys. I'm gonna briefly check something out. 1 second. Oh, NIO is still going up. Jesus Christ. Oh my. That is insane. Just gonna quickly take a look at NIO, and then we'll go back to Tesla, and we're gonna do the analysis. So yeah, wow, that's amazing. Did not expect this. I got no words, but I still think it's gonna correct down to $35 to $40 maximum. So I'm still sticking with my own analysis. All right, guys, are we ready to do the analysis? I'm wondering, is there anything? Is everything going fine? Let me check. Yeah, the live stream is working. Everything is fine. Okay, cool. We're ready. We are ready. Cool. Before we start with this live stream, guys, hit that thumbs up right now, because then everybody can join the live stream and enjoy this and get the knowledge. I'll also be sharing it one more time. NIO, Tesla, and NIO. Okay, cool. All right, we are ready. Maybe we need a trend line, approximately. Yeah, we can. Oh, yeah, we can draw a trend line now. Fantastic. That's really nice. This is gonna aid us so much. Because we already have a trend line going upwards, right? I would say. There we go. Let's just keep it that way. Are we recording? Yes, we are recording. Okay. One more time, checking if everything's fine. Cool. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be talking about Tesla stock for the 19th of November, Thursday. This is a couple days after the S&P 500 inclusion announcement. Things are still looking incredible, all right? Before we start with this analysis, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. That would be awesome. We're trying to reach the 9,000 subscriber mark. We can only do this with your help, so make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. All right, without further ado, let's go into this analysis. So as you can see, I can't even show you the complete chart. It's just so bullish right now at the moment for Tesla. We're sitting at $500, yeah? We said that we would go upwards and then go down, that we would correct. Well, this was false for now. I still think the correction is coming, right? Yes, we have a tough time with time frame. But if I could get the time frame right every single time, I would be a billionaire, even like a trillionaire. Let's just be honest. But I did say we would go up to approximately 508 and then come down. And right now we're moving sideways, and there's still a possibility of us going down majorly. So we had a correction to the $490 very briefly, and to the $494. I would say there is a possibility that this is going to keep creeping down, which could be approximately taking us to $484 to $485, right? This is a level where we, historically speaking, it's been a resistance, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if this would be a big resistance for Tesla. Before we can pass 500, we're probably going to have to consolidate at the $480. Heck, I think we could bounce and we could even return to the 465 again. This is possible. Yes, it looks like it's impossible. We can only go up, but we've done the same thing here. We went down all the way after this bullish move. Nobody thought that we would go back to 430. Well, we did. So I'm going to call it right now. There's a possibility of us going to the 470s just like that before we go anywhere. So 470, I would say, is possible. I don't think we're going to go to 465. I've been saying it sometimes, we could go to 465 at this point, guys. It would be a little bit of a stretch to go to the 465. I think if we go there, it's going to be a fast spike, and then we go back up. But yeah, for now, I would approximately see us go to the 470s at the lowest point. If we're bullish, we'll just bounce from here, right? But let's just see how it's going to be on the 1 hour and the 4 hours. But before we do that, let's just check what happened here, right? We had a crossover right around there at the 460. And then we had a huge bearish turn, right? So this took us about a couple hours to go all the way down. I would say that we had a crossover right here. We went bearish for a brief moment, but we still went upwards. You see that? The MACD went down, but the price still went up. And you can see on the RSI that the RSI went up again after going downwards, but the MACD kept going lower. So that's a weird phenomenon, right? It's like, what's happening there? Well, it's actually it's so bullish the MACD can't register that it's actually going up, because these are small up moves. It only tracks like the big movements, like this one. So relatively speaking to this is a down move. It's hard to explain, but it's just keep it this way. It is looking a little bearish right now, and it's about to go a little bit more bearish. But it's not as bearish as we thought it would be, okay? I'm just being conservative. I don't want anyone to hold the bag with Tesla. That is why I am being so bearish. I'm trying to... so there is a possibility that we go down. And I just want you guys to be protected against a downturn. So I'm not going to say this is going to go to $1,000 right now, which it could in a couple months, possibly. So, all right, let's go to the 1 hour, see what the 1 hour can tell us. Oh boy, just give me 1 second, guys. Gonna have to delete this and this. There we go. Wow. Hold on, I'm checking the live stream real quick. I'll do this every now and then. See if everything is working fine. Cool. Right now, we are looking at the 1 hour, and what we can see on the MACD especially is that we had previously we had crossed very briefly. You see this downturn was us about to cross. Then we had the crossing. This was this move, right? Similar thing is happening right now. We're crossing right now, and we're seeing a little bit of bearishness. However, it doesn't look like we're bouncing, I would say. It doesn't look like we're bouncing so far. And as I'm saying this, it's moving upwards. Kind of funny. But let's just say it goes down just ever so slightly, just like that, before it bounces. So this downturn here could approximately take us to, like we said, the 480s, so 485, 86 maybe even, and then bounce a little bit, and possibly even going to the 470s before we see any kind of move to the upside. This is happening because we had a strong move forward. If we compare the MACD to the past, this MACD that we're currently at is similar to the one that we had with the stock split, which obviously that was a significant move. And we're getting really, really close to that MACD. And I would say that when we get there, usually we see a downturn. I don't think the downturn is going to be very sharp, because the MACD didn't go up sharply. It kind of went up like that. So I would say that this is going to be a slow downturn to the downside. This could last a couple hours or maybe the whole day tomorrow. The RSI is obviously going to come back down just a little bit, just like that, and then bounce. Obviously, this is being conservative, being a little bit bearish. I still believe it's going to go up, but there's going to be a little bit of a downturn before it does this. So this would be a nice buying opportunity. Now, obviously, if the stock is very bullish, we could go up just like that. So we see ourselves go for to the 485 and then jump all the way. So keep that in mind. Now, I think there's not a whole lot more to say on the 1 hour, guys. It looks a little bit similar to the 30 minutes, although I would say that the 1 hour looks a little bit more bearish. So let's go to the 4 hours now. Alright, so let's go to the 4 hours. Coming up for Tesla stock. Yeah, that's insane. Yeah, this is a downturn, possibly. Even the 4 hours, honestly, it looks so overextended on the MACD. I would say that this MACD could come back down just like this. Why am I saying this? Well, we've seen similar patterns happen before, even right there, and I would say right here. So these brief corrections that we had when we had the stock split, that is something that we could see happen right now. One brief correction to the downside. I would say all the way down to approximately 490 to 485, and then go upwards. Something similar to that. So our next target would most likely be the 515, and then after that the 538. Historically speaking, even the 511 could be hit. We hit this in the all-time high for Tesla in the after hours, I remember, and or it was the pre-market, one of them, the extended hours. So to recap, 485, then we bounce to the $500, see a little bit of resistance, but we shoot upwards to $511, go down again, and then we bounce to the 515 and 520 and beyond. So this could be our next move. And we're going to get really close to topping out then, because obviously we're going to be really overextended with the price, and you will see the MACD shoot up, the RSI is going to shoot up. But for now, it's not going to shoot up, it's going to go down just ever so slightly before shooting up to the upside. RSI and MACD alike. Just let me show you. Just like that. I would say that the upward momentum will probably give us the targets of 511, 515, and yeah, all the way to the 535, 538 level, which is the all-time high. So we're potentially going to be taking out the all-time high. We're going to be running towards the $600. So this is looking really bullish for Tesla. And I'll show you something which is even more positive. So hold on tight. I'll be going to the daily now for Tesla stock. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is not going to be in the recording, but look at that. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 candles. And we are right now sitting at $500. Remember stock split? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's about 15 candles, right? We are literally 1/5 of that move. Oh my gosh. This could go up to like... Oh boy. This is just the beginning. Alright, so let's just grab the brush. We're going to just quickly do the daily. And yeah. Let's see if I paused. Yeah, cool. Okay, here we go. We're now looking at the daily chart, and like I said, there's lots of positive news because there's a lot of upside. There is a lot of upside, guys. You can see this right here. We've compared this period of time with this period here with the stock split. We're in a similar kind of position right now with Tesla stock because of the fact that we have a similar catalyst. You know, we had the S&P 500 inclusion right here as a catalyst. Right now we do have that as well. We had Q3 deliveries. Now we have Q4 deliveries and Q4 earnings. We have many catalysts coming up for Tesla stock. And the same thing happened there, right? And even the MACD looks similar in terms of like the how do you say this? The shape of the MACD, right? Same with the RSI. RSI is at the same point when it bottomed out, and bearish cycle, same size bearish cycle as well. We're seeing bullishness now. We have bullishness here, and I would say even the price pattern was very similar. Even that one looks quite similar. And I could show this very properly on the 30 minutes, but we're just going to shortly take a look at this, and we'll do a proper analysis on the weekly, in the weekly video. So if you're subscribed, guys, you'll get a notification for when that happens. So I would say we calculated this already, but there's a possibility that Tesla's going to go up 150% of what we saw right here, which this move was $270 on the chart, right? So what is that? 150% of that would be approximately, that would be $400. The bottom was at $408. Well, we drew this blue line for a reason. We could potentially go upwards to $800. Now, yes, it sounds a little bit silly. This is the extremely bullish scenario. I believe that we're going to be hitting, I would say, $600 to $700 instead. But in a very, very bullish scenario, we could hit the $800. But let's just keep that $600 in mind for now. And then we see a correction, and then God knows where we go, right? So for now, daily looking bullish. MACD, we have 3 bullish candles. Well, here we had like 15. So here we had 10 or something. There's still a lot of potential left. The RSI is just in the overbought. Here we went to the overbought for a long time there as well. And I think the same thing is going to happen again. We're going to stay here for quite some time. I would say approximately for another 2 to 3 weeks. Now, we're not going to be talking about the future anymore, just for the coming days. Obviously, that's also the future, but the really long term. So let's go to the near term, the 30 minutes, and draw out the pattern for the coming days. Okay, so there we go. We're going to do the 30 minutes now, which is going to determine, in my opinion, where we are going to be heading for Tesla stock. Sorry for that. We are looking at the 30 minutes right now for Tesla stock. Obviously, we're going to be drawing what's going to be happening next. And based off of what we just saw on the 1 hour to 4 hour and the daily, what I think is going to happen is we're going to see a correction to the $495 once again. See a bit of a bounce, but we still go downwards to approximately $490, which could be a support. And there we could go to the $497 again, but still creeping lower to the $485. Now here we could possibly bounce to $510, or we could pretty much start falling again to the $400 and possibly $475 before seeing a bottom and then going upwards again. I think what is more likely is for us to do this, because we had a huge upturn And this correction is basically going to be people selling off, taking profits, right? I think what has happened is basically the S&P 500 inclusion has been priced in now. Now what's happening is there's a lot of hype from people who were initially missing out on Tesla, who want to get in. And we also have another 10% coming when the S&P 500 inclusion actually happens. So I would say for now, a brief correction could be possible. Obviously, I've said this before, we could also correct to 485 and then bounce. But I'm just going to be conservative. I don't want anyone to hold the bag. This could be happening. This would be an ideal buying opportunity. And yeah, we could definitely go to the $515, $511, etc., and then keep going to the $540. I think the MACD is going to look something like this, just like that, and then going upwards. RSI is going to come falling back down, and then go upwards again. Maybe a little wrong on the time frame. Time frame could look a little bit like this. Let me just grab this. Can I do this? No, let's just not do that. The time frame could look a little bit like this, right? And then we go upwards really fast. So this could be a brief correction, very fast correction, and then we go upwards again. So keep that in mind. But I still believe we're going to be correcting to 485 to about 475 around this range. So something like that. And then going upwards. So this is my analysis for Tesla stock. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're going for 9,000 subscribers. If everybody right here, right now, would subscribe to the channel, we will get to 9,000 just like that. And that would be amazing. It would make my day right away, honestly. On top of that, guys, you'll get notifications for the videos that are coming next. I upload every single day. I do live streams every single day. So I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe. And if you want to check out the social media, we got an Instagram, a TikTok, and a Twitter. Links are down below in the description, along with the Discord link if you want to join the Lucid Traders community. So you can join the Discord. Link is in the description as well. And if you would like to support, show me some love. If you love the videos and you want some extra content, you can go to the Patreon and donate there. And you can get many benefits like counseling, buy and sell signals, early access to the videos, and many more. Guys, this was Lucid Trading. I hope you have a very great day, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Cool, so that was the Tesla video that we just did. All right. I see the NIO is going upwards significantly. That's it happens, you know. Still going up. Jeez. It just doesn't stop. Like, honestly. We're now at key resistance. If it breaches this resistance for NIO, obviously we're going to do the NIO analysis now. If it breaches this resistance for NIO, then I will change my attitude just a little bit because this is key resistance, right? But yeah, I'm just quickly checking if everybody's here right now. Hold on. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be okay. So what I usually do is when I do a analysis live, I upload the video on my YouTube channel after I have done the analysis. So this could take a minute or two. I'll be playing some music in the background and I will be blurring the screen because obviously you can maybe see my personal details. I really don't like that. So I hope you guys don't mind. This is going to take a second, and then after that we're going to be doing the NIO analysis. So just give me 1 second. Wait, let me see what you see on the screen. Okay, so you see that on the screen, right? So I'm going to change that right now. So you see the NIO chart. Oh, hold on. Properties. It's going to take just a second. I'll also turn on some music as we go. Wait, what the hell? Okay, it's whatever. I guess we're gonna do it like this. See if this is gonna work. I'm gonna be posting the video. I'll be back in a second. This is like a break, right? I'm gonna be posting the Tesla video right now. We're gonna do the NIO analysis. Hello, I'm back. We're gonna do the NIO analysis right now. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to set up the window. Now I can properly do this. This should be all right. So let's just. I think I closed the window, didn't I? Oh no, there we go. So I think everything is fine now. Oh wait, my whole window disappeared. There we go. Cool. All right, so I think I'm ready to do the NIO analysis. Just give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna have to stretch a little bit. I changed the title and the description and everything about this live stream, so I'm just gonna quickly have to share this link with everybody down below in the, in the Discord. Join the live stream now. Okay. Honestly, guys, I have to lay down for just a couple minutes. Give me 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start with the NIO analysis. I notice that my neck is hurting and nothing is really helping. I'm gonna have to get a new chair very soon with my own money, so that's gonna help probably with my neck. Cause right now my chair, it doesn't help with my neck. But yeah, I'm gonna lay down for like 5 minutes and we're gonna start with the NIO analysis. Obviously, I'll just be back in a second. So we'll start with the NIO analysis in a couple minutes. Stay tuned. Hey guys, are you ready? All right, we're ready. So just give me 1 second. I'm going to be sharing the link of this live stream really quick. This is going to take just a second. So hold on. We are about to begin, so hold on. Alright, so for anyone that doesn't know who I am, my name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I try to give you the best guidance that I possibly can from mainly the technicals and a little bit of the fundamental side of things. And basically I cover your favorite stocks. So if you want me to analyze any stock that you like, then make sure you drop it down in the live comments. I'll check it out later on. Honestly, I will, so feel free to do so. And yeah, we just cover these stocks and I try to just be as rational as I can. No emotions, right? We're trying to make profit. And on top of that, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 9,000 subscribers. You basically, we can only do this with your help. I can't subscribe to my own channel, so yeah, that would be awesome. You'll get a notification for the live streams and for the videos, and you can check out the social medias and everything. It's all going to be in the description below. So before we start, I'm going to check if everything is working fine right now. Okay, alright, cool. I think we're ready. Can we start recording? Yeah, we can. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be talking about NIO Stock for the 19th of November, which is Thursday. Well, gosh, I just couldn't come out of my words, so I've got to do it again. Sorry guys. Man, it's just so terrible. Sometimes that happens, you know. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be talking about NIO Stock for the 19th of November, which is Thursday. Before we start this video, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would really appreciate this. This would make my day. We're almost hitting that 9,000 subscriber mark, so feel free to do so. That would be awesome. All right, let's start with this analysis right away. So we just keep on saying that NIO is going to crash, and it's still not crashing, right? So it should be going up then, right? I am still firmly believing that NIO is still going to crash. And this was one of the crashes that we predicted. Yes, this is a crash. We went down more than 20%. Let's just say that. This, somebody said in the live chat, but it's only a crash if we go down more than 20%. Well, we went down more than 20%. So we predicted one crash. I just don't think that that is it. I think more downturn is coming for NIO Stock. And it's just a matter of waiting for when this is going to come. So I would say right now we are going to most likely hit the $49 again to 49.4. And then the downturn is going to be imminent, because you can also see this on the MACD. MACD is also about to go negative. So there are no catalysts left for NIO Stock. None. Nothing. Only thing that can happen right now is either Morgan Stanley says, hey guys, NIO Stock is worth $80, which they've already done. There are already like price targets coming out every day, propping up the price for NIO, which makes no sense, by the way, because the fundamentals are not changing at all. So we have good quarters, but the price is too high right now. Even if we have a significantly better quarter next quarter, it wouldn't matter at these prices. So I would say there's going to be a downturn happening very soon, and this is going to take us to approximately 46.6, maybe even lower to the 45 again, especially if Tesla comes down. The only reason NIO is going up today is because Tesla's going up today. Same goes for all the other EV manufacturers. That's the only reason. There's a lot of hype, a lot of euphoria. People think, hey, EVs are the future. Well, EVs have been the future ever since we have gone up 27 times. So at some point, the reality has to kick in that NIO has gone up 27 times in 1 year, right? Once that kicks in, guys, it's going to get really bloody. But for now, I would say 49 is still possible. And I'm going to be reasonable. So I'm not going to say it's going to go down all the time. This could potentially hit the 49, right? I'm adapting my technical analysis to what's happening. So yes, we could be wrong here and there. Tesla went up significantly. Well, it takes NIO with it. So fundamentals can change. Like I keep on saying this. When the fundamentals change, the technicals change, right? The prediction was right. We're still going downwards. It's just going to take a little bit more time. You got to remain patient. and it will most likely happen. And I would say it could go down all the way to even the $41. It's just a matter of time before this happens. If the Nasdaq goes down, if Tesla goes down, there are no more catalysts for NIO stock. There's nothing left to keep it up. So I think this is still going to be happening for NIO stock. And potentially we're going to see a huge downturn in the MACD for the 30-minute chart. And RSI might even get to the oversold level. So I'm just going to keep remaining bearish on NIO. I don't even care if it goes to $50. It could happen, you know. Fundamentals can change. Some bank could be like, hey, NIO is worth $100 per share, $200 per share. It's happening. They are doing this. You know why they're doing this? They're offloading their own shares so they can get out of NIO because it's so overvalued at this moment. There are no more catalysts this month. The next catalyst is going to be NIO Day, which is 1.5 months away. So that's quite some time, guys. There's going to be a correction happening very soon for NIO. Still believe this is going to happen to about $35, maybe even to the $30. I firmly believe this, based off of the technicals, right? I'm not just saying this, it's based off of technicals. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. It's like every single time I start a NIO live stream and I look at the comments, you know that meme with like the GTA? It's like, here we go again, basically, because it's just, oh my gosh. People really love NIO. I get it. I love NIO too, but it's going to correct anyway, if we love it or not. Lucid Trading is about, gosh, what should I say? Guys, we are about transparency. We are about telling you not what you need to hear. Wait, what? That's not. Oh, scrap that, guys. Scrap that. We have to. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause the live. I'm just kidding. No, literally, like, we don't tell you what you want to hear. We tell you what you need to hear, right? I could also be just saying, hey, NIO's gonna go up to $100 this year. I won't, because the technicals are not saying that. If we look at the weekly, this doesn't look like it's about to go to 100. This looks like it's about to top out and go to $10, okay? Okay, not $10, but like $30 or something. So yeah. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything like the other YouTubers. I won't be like that, man. I can't do that. I couldn't. What if I tell you it's going to go to 100 and then it goes to $30, right? That could very well be the case. So I'm not going to do that. No way. Okay, so hold on. I just paused. See if the live chat is working. Everything is fine. Perfect. Here we go. 1 hour coming up. Alright, before we do, guys, though, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Honestly, we're so close to 9,000 subscribers. If you do, you get good luck from all the trading gods. God bless you. Alright, let's go. So, this is the 1 hour for NIO stock, and I think the MACD is about to come down just like that, which means the price is going to come down just like that as well, which could take us all the way to $44 on the 1 hour. So, RSI would look just like that, come back down, and I would say it could even bleed all the way to the $42. So, I would be very, very careful if I were you. And the next thing is going to be even more ugly, because it could turn just like that, which could mean that this is going to go just like, oh, hold on, that was really weird, just like this, which could potentially give us the $40, and then we bounce again before going downwards. So I still believe it's looking very bearish. We cannot compare this MACD to what we had right there, because we had a huge catalyst. It was earnings, yo. We had earnings coming up. That is why we went to the overbought. Like I said, we have no more catalysts left. Either some big bank is going to be like, hey guys, you got to buy NIO, it's going to go all the way to $200, or there's no catalyst and we're just going to pretty much go down, because we're at very high valuations, very, very high valuations for NIO stock. I mean, aside from, when was this? So the price that we are right now, we have never been at this price before the 12th of November, right? So yeah, that just and on top of that, we're richly valued. It just doesn't make sense at this point. So, and I'll explain to you a little bit later why that's going to be the case. So I think it's pretty straightforward. Gonna be going downwards on the 1 hour. So let's go to the 4 hours. See if the 4 hours can be bullish for us right now. There we go. My head is exploding because NIO is still going upwards. Look how it's going upwards. It's so weird. Such a weird pattern. Looks a little bit like that one or that one. Anyway, checking the live chat real quick. All right, so there is some bullish news for NIO on the 4 hour. Yes, it does look like the 4 hour is about to turn bullish. There we could cross and then come back down. So this crossing in itself could be another pump to like $50 before coming back down. Yes, this could happen. I would say it's not going to be super relevant because the trend is still downwards. Like, it's just a blip and then we go down again. So I would say, yeah, sure. I mean, we could hit $50, but what's going to happen after that? We're still going to correct all the way downwards. So, yeah, I mean, for me to say that this is bullish is not really wise. I think this is actually still very bearish. There could be a little bit of upturn from here. 48 could go to the $50. So the RSI could go up again, and then we will fall still downwards. And the thing is, this is not even the most bearish chart, right? We still have the daily, we still have the weekly, and the monthly, all looking like it's about to turn bearish. So, honestly, the 4 hours is just telling us, like, okay, this is going to be what's happening for the coming week, maybe coming 2 weeks, right? So a little bit of a bullish turn. I mean, this could, if the markets are bearish, this bullish turn is not even going to happen, honestly. It's just not going to happen. So keep that in mind. I would say that what is more likely is that we're just going to fall down tomorrow off a cliff, honestly. So, but yeah, this is the 4 hours. I want to just go to the daily right now and show you something quite important. By the way, my name is not Gary. I don't know who thought that. That's really weird. Weirdest nickname I've ever had. Gary. Now, we're looking at the daily for NIO Stock, and honestly, guys, I cannot believe it, but I thought we would cross right away. I just have no words for this, but it seems like we're bouncing and then coming down. So let's just say that we have a little bit of bullishness left. I think this is going to be next week. The first days could be a little bullish, and then it's over. Okay, it's over. This is not going to last. It looks funny, right? So I don't necessarily know if it's going to be that long. It could also be just like that and then fall down. So this is still looking bearish. We had a long bullish period of about, well, this is a couple months, right? October, almost the whole of November. It's like 2 months almost. So I would say there is gonna be a lot of bearish coming up. This is gonna be bearish. All of this is most likely gonna be bearish. We're gonna be hitting really low levels for NIO Stock, and I would not be holding NIO Stock right now. I would stay away from it. I would stay away from NIO Stock for now. because like we said, it looks like Bitcoin. The chart looks like Bitcoin. It just looks really crazy. Obviously, some stocks look like this for good reasons, right? Really good reasons. Because basically they have a lot of growth and whatever. NIO has a lot of growth. It just doesn't have any revenue to back up this price. It doesn't have much profit. In comparison to the stocks like Apple used to look like this. Apple, for example, used to look like this. Look where Apple is right now. Well, it's way further, right? It's the biggest company in the world in terms of like on the U.S. stock market. So I would say, yeah, this could be possible. This could be a thing that happens to stocks. But usually this is a bubble, right? This is a bubble formation. If it doesn't pop, then it's not a bubble. But I think this is going to pop, and it's going to be very ugly. MACD extended, RSI extended for a very long period of time. No more catalysts. We're highly, highly valued. I think this is about to come down. It's going to get really bloody. And if it gets bloody, guys, don't tell me that I didn't tell you. I warned everybody, right? So 2 weeks from now, if this happens, don't be like, oh my God, why didn't you warn us? Yeah, I did warn you. So I'll keep doing this. Every day I'll warn you because I think it's still going to happen. All right? Probably going to go down to about $35, approximately the $30, and maybe even the $26, $27 range. Honestly, this could come down really, really fast. All right, let's go to the 30 minutes and draw what is going to be happening for the near term. Okay, so the market closes in 2 minutes, so we're going to do this real fast. Okay, so this is the most important chart, right? For the coming time. All right, we're looking at the 30 minutes for NIO stock, and like we said, we're most likely going to be going upwards to the 49, and then we come down to the 46 point, what is it? The 46.7 to around 46.5. Here we could see another downturn to the 45.5. Let me draw this again. Looks really ugly. Just like that. See a bit of a bump, and then come down to the 45.4, 45.5. See some sideways movement, but still going down to the 44. And then we go down all the way to the $42. I think this is going to happen. This will be the top of this bullish move. We went up from 42.4 all the way to 48.8, right? Remember, that's a big move. This move, really big. And you can see that the MACD is extended, right? We've had a bullish cycle for a long time now. For about almost a day now, right? It's been quite some time now, and it's about to come down. Usually when it comes down, we have sharp downturns. And so I'm going to be conservative, saying that it's going to be a slow downturn, but this could be very sharp. So I'm going to show you now. The MACD could go down just like that. I would say the webcam could be in the way, and the RSI is going to go down just like that as well. And this downturn could be just like that. Really, really sharp to the downside, all the way to $40. So be careful. But yeah, this just keep in mind the time frame could be different. The pattern is what is important. I think this could take maybe a day, maybe a couple days, right? So maybe a whole week, right? So, but we'll be updating this on every day because we're making videos every single day. And if you want to see those videos, then you have to be subscribed. So hit that subscribe button right now. You'll be getting the notifications for when we are uploading. Yeah, but this was the analysis, guys. NIO looking quite bearish in my opinion. Still not looking like a buy. I would not touch this with a 10 feet pole. But yeah. Like we said, 48 could be a support. the 46.7, then after that the 45, the 43, 44, and then the 42. All right, guys, this was the analysis for NIO Stock for today, the 19th of November. Guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. That would make my day, guys. You'll get the notifications for the videos and live streams. Check out the social media. We got an Instagram, TikTok. We got a Twitter. All links are in the description. Check out the Discord server. Discord link is in the description as well. You can join the Lucid Traders community. And if you want to support the channel, if you want to show some love, you can do this through Patreon and donate there for many benefits. Links are down below. I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Whoa, I'm a little bit tired now. So I'm just going to check everything. Dang, this is... check the live chat real quick. Oh, gosh. Okay, so... guys, I really have to go now. I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. I think I'll be doing this more often. And if you did enjoy this live stream, guys, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you get a notification for when I'm going to be live next. And also, I'll be uploading many videos today, so stay tuned, be subscribed. You'll get a notification for the next videos. I'll probably do one about AMD, Workhorse, and Apple, and many more. So, yeah, guys, I really have to go now. So, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for supporting me on Discord, on the Patreon, on in every manner that you guys do. I really appreciate it. Like, without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. I wouldn't be able to put all my passion and time into this. It would not be possible without you. So I'm truly thankful. So I'm gonna have to go now. I'll see you guys